Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. So in this video I am going to unbox this Pragati system whiteboard. This whiteboard, whiteboard is very essential if you are a teacher, if you want to teach or if you want to explain anything to someone or a group. So whiteboard, it's very good. There is nothing that can replace whiteboard system. So let's just unpack this whiteboard and see. I'm going to also going to at the end of this video I'll explain you that you should buy it or not, and also I'll give you quick review of this product. So let's just first unbox this one. So let's start. So everyone, here is the final product, this whiteboard, Pragati system whiteboard. Its size is basically 3 by 4. So this way is 3 feet and this way is 4 feet. So let's first just clear this board with a clean cloth. Okay, it's clear now. Now it's writing time. Let's check the writing part. So this whiteboard marker, you should always use whiteboard marker, not just permanent marker. If you use permanent marker, the mark will ghost mark will stay and you can't even erase them. Always use whiteboard markers. So now let's check the writing experience. So here is so nice, it's very good. So hello everyone, welcome to our channel. It's very good writing experience, it's very nice. Yes, I think it's very nice. Black, and now it's blue. It's working perfectly. It's very nice. It's a red one, and finally it's green. Very good. It's very nice, working perfectly on whiteboard. So if you want to buy this whiteboard, link is in the description box, you may check it out. So please subscribe to S Modi YouTube channel for more such content. Subscribe to our channel. And this whiteboard is very good, build quality is very good. And here one more thing I want to show you. To hang this whiteboard, you can use these elements to hang this whiteboard on the wall. So it's also attached with the packing. So Pragati system also provide these hanging elements, so you can easily hang it on the wall. So here this, if you want to hang this on the wall, you can do it. There is some screws and all these elements parts also attached. So you just need to install them one by one. So this is my review of this whiteboard, Pragati system whiteboard. It's a magnetic whiteboard. If you have magnetic duster, or you can easily attach notice or something with magnetic elements. All those magnetic whiteboard dusters, even a marker, magnetic marker can be attached here like this. So it's very good. I think I just love it. So my review would be, satisfied, and highly recommended. So 4.5 out of 5. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day and subscribe this channel and like this video.